Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay T-Mobile bill online. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for T-Mobile bill and then press on T-Mobile guest pay. Now you can pay as a guest. This will be much easier and much faster, but if you want to log in, you also can press on this login to pay and you can log into your account. Now all you need to do is to enter the T-Mobile phone or account number, to enter it twice to confirm it so you don't pay any other bills of someone else. After you input the phone or account number twice, you press on I'm not a robot and then you press on continue. You will see your bill. Now all you need to do is to pay the bill using any payment method such as credit card or Apple Pay or anything, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.